I just picked up this Garmin Zumo XT2, not the XT. This just came out, and I've been going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to do a dedicated GPS on my Scrambler when I have an iPhone, but I do plan on doing some BDR stuff this year along with some other routes around here in Washington. And since I'm doing the unit garage fairings with the windscreen, I'm gonna have that bar in front of my face anyways. I might as well mount a nice GPS to it and just rip the band-aid off. So I figure we'll open the box and we can see what's inside together. All right, let's get after it. First thing we see is the unit itself. That'll be fun to peel off. Some noticeable differences right off the bat from the XT to the XT2. These connectors here are silver instead of gold. The power button is different. There's no plugins here, so they're here now. There's your SD card slot. And I'm assuming this will be your USB. Yep. USB-C now, finally. And that's about it. Let's see what we got under here. Zip ties. A fuse, I'm assuming. Probably. Our mount. So it comes, this is a little bit different than the XT. It comes with the ball mount already mounted with black hardware. The XT had silver hardware in here. So that's nice, you don't have to stare at ugly silver screws when you don't have your GPS mounted now. And it's just regular wire. So assuming, yep, got your battery connectors here that you just crimp onto this, connect to your battery terminals. Pretty straightforward. We have a Garmin branded ball mount. Assuming this is similar to the XT. And more mounting hardware. Whoa. Yeah, long screws to, this is a handlebar mount. So that'll mount directly to your handlebar. So that'll go like that. And that goes on top of that. I'm using a different mount, so I'll be taking all that off. But this is the U-mount for your handlebar or whatever bar you mount it to. I don't need any of that. And a USB-C charging cable. And that seems to be about it. And an instruction manual. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Got your main unit here, obviously. Got your bar mount here. That goes through there. Stick your nuts on the end. Like that. And then these go to cover up the ends. Pretty simple. And then this will mount on the top of that. And you can kind of swivel it which way you want. And then this is your power unit that will mount to the other side of that. I won't be using any of this. I have a different mounting solution that I'm working on. But pretty sweet that they include this. These are super robust, like RAM mounts. Pretty much the same exact thing. Just a little too bulky for what I'm looking for. Got 4 zip ties. Who doesn't love zip ties? Got a fuse or an inverter or something to step down power from your battery. Got terminal hookups that you just wire directly to this, and this plugs directly into the back of this. And then you have a USB-C cable, same thing that like comes with your GoPro and stuff. That's to charge the internal battery. I won't be using that because I'm wiring directly to the battery of my bike. This just hooks up to the back of this. Kind of like that. So then you just mount it to whatever you're mounting it to, or you unscrew these, Jesus. Or you unscrew these and then you mount it to your own mount. And now for the best part. So there it is, the Garmin Zumo XT2, straight out of the box. I hope this was helpful in understanding what actually comes in the box, even though it's all listed on their website. And this is me telling you to just do it. Rip the Band-Aid off. Just make the purchase you want to make, but you really shouldn't. Thanks for hanging out.